welcome back. This one's tear down or breakdown of the motor. Make sure everything's working correctly. See what needed to be replaced. But motor's in pretty good shape. It needs a new impeller. But this full breakdown of everything I did to prepare the motor for this season and starting up for the first time. Here I'm going to do a quick scope inspection, check out how the cylinders look. It's not too bad. It's like some seafoam. Run it through the motor. And this first full tank should take care of it. I'll go through and do a look at all the others as well. All the spark plugs kind of look like this. Kind of like these NGKs. Don't have to worry about the arm on there at all. They're all looking about the same. They get a build up on a 2-cycle. So I now have the water pump base taken off, and I was able to take a look at the seal. Everything looks real good. I'll change out the hardware that I can out of the kit that came with it, and I'll keep what I don't have pieces of. There's the bearing. Everything looks really nice. It's not wobbling or anything. So I'll get that cleaned out nicely and get that put back together with a new gasket. Just got this stand built. Took me about an hour and a half. 2 6-foot pieces of 2x4, and now I got a lower unit stand. So here's a close-up look of what the fluid looks like in the lower unit against a white background. You can see it's mostly black. You can see a little blue in there. It's just from it sitting for such a long period of time in storage. So I'm going to go ahead and replace it. All right, this is the first startup attempt since the rebuild. Make sure we're getting proper water flow and everything's running like it should. So in closing, the motor's running great. Water's running out like it's supposed to. Engine sounds good. It's going into gear like it's supposed to. I've got everything set up and ready to go. Next phase is putting it out on the water. We'll do that in another video. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel so you can get notifications of future updates as I do more and more on the boat and actually start getting out there and fishing as well. But stay tuned.